Morning, first graders. Today is Friday, which means it's our Friday song. So let's stand up. Let's get to it. Are you ready? One, two, three. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It is Friday. We made it through another week of remote learning. Awesome job, guys. One other comment is you might have noticed that we do have a mystery reader today, and I am so excited. So be sure to read the clues first. Don't jump down to the video. So read the clues first, get your work done, and then when you're done with your work, you're going to watch our mystery reader read you a book. And I know it's not the same since we're not in class, but I think this is just a great way to start the weekend. So I hope you enjoy our mystery reader and you have a fabulous weekend, first graders. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.